How to download Last War survival game on your Android or iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're interested in playing Last War survival game on your smartphone or tablet, here's how you do it. Firstly, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store or App Store. Now go to the search bar and type in Last War. From the search result, look for this application from funflypte.ltd. Once you're inside this page, tap on Install or Get. Follow through the on-screen instructions and the download process will begin. After waiting for a while, the application will be installed. Now tap on Play. And you have successfully downloaded and installed Last Wars on your Android or iOS. Tap the Start button and follow through the instructions. You'll be able to see a quick tutorial. Go ahead and complete that. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.